How to delete Facebook pages in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. The very first thing you have to do is click on these three horizontal lines and you have to go to this page. When you come to this page, you have to click on the pages and you can search your pages. You can select your pages that you want, choose your pages. So I want to choose this page. You can choose those pages that you want to delete, and when you come to this page, uh, and what you have to do is click on the settings, and you have to click on the settings which is in the top right corner, and and then you have to click on the general, and then you came to this page. Here you can see the remove page, and permanently delete Hararam. It means permanently delete this page. If you want to permanently delete Hararam, so click on the permanently delete Hararam, and then to confirm click delete page, and it is loading, and here you can see your page has been deleted. So that's basically it, at how you can delete your Facebook pages in 2021. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and comment below that this video is helpful. Have a good day.